Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover investments with Acorns easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the portfolio section. Here, you will see an overview of your investments and their performance. Tap on Invest to view your options for recovering investments. Choose the withdraw option to begin the process. Select the specific amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to review any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm your selection and proceed to the next step. Next, you will be asked to choose your withdrawal method. Options may include bank transfer or other payment methods available. Select your preferred withdrawal method and enter the required details. Review your request carefully before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of your withdrawal. Wait for the processing time, which may vary depending on the method chosen. Monitor your email for updates on your transaction status. Check your bank account to confirm the arrival of your funds. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Acorns customer support for assistance. Keep track of your investments moving forward to ensure future growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.